Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a video, and today we're going to be talking XClass. This is a brand new motor from iFlight. You can see it's their XING series. Yes, I pronounce it XING. I just like to say XING, you guys. I know how it's pronounced. Chill in the comments. But this is a 5215 330 kV motor. So this is meant for 12S. Right off the bat, you can see it does use a separating prop shaft system. You have your inner 4mm shaft here, and then the extra prop adapter screws onto here, and then there's some extra grip. But this lets you also run direct mounted or T-mount style props directly into this if you wish. Hopefully you can tell just how absolutely massive this thing is, and it comes with about 1.5 feet of 14 gauge wire, plenty enough for all your XClass needs. Just real quick, I want to compare it to, these are the XING 4214. These are the motors that I have on my quad. You can see they have the built-in shaft. I thought these were huge. These are meant for 8S, but if you look, these things just absolutely dwarf them. These are massive motors. 4214 versus 5215. You can see they follow the same XING design. It does have the 4 equally spaced mounting holes in the bottom with, I think it's a 3mm hex or a 2mm hex driver to take out the retaining nut, the massive bearing there, and we do have nice material all the way around the where the screws connect, just like the other version. Multi-stranded windings, curved magnets. I'm not going to go ahead and take the bell off, you get the idea. So let me tie all these wires up so I can get a weight on this guy. This motor with all the wires is about 260 grams if I remember correctly. And then if I can get this on the scale, it weighs about 351.8. So it's about 100 grams heavier, but honestly that's not too bad for this massive a motor. And 330 kV on 12S should produce about 16,000 theoretical RPMs. Should be a really nice size in kV. I know some people are complaining the 345, the 360 to 380 kVs on 12S are pushing it pretty hard on your battery and just a lot of extra heat, especially in the motors. So this will be really nice to try out. So that was just a quick intro on the motor here. Let's get it mounted to a quad and see how it performs. Alright, here we have the XING motors, the 5215 330 kV on the Tiny's LEDs XClass quad. Just real quick run over everything on here. We have the HQ 13x12 propellers here. We have the APD 120 amp ESCs. We put some 470 microfarad 50 volt capacitors. We have a Radix flight controller in there, Foxeer Falcor, Crossfire Nano. We have two 6S 4000s for a 12S 4000. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get the his Spectrum radio turned on here. And let's get this plugged in here. The LEDs. Here we go. Let's walk it out to the front here. So before this, we were running the MAD 4219 345 kV. So a little bit smaller motor, but a little bit higher kV. You have to say with these though, these iFlights are they've got some decent throttle punch to them, which makes sense since they're 5215. They're a very large, wide motor. About 70% speed. Do a full speed pass coming this direction. Whoa, pretty fast. I'm not sure if they're faster than the MAD or not. Batteries do not like that. my god. Alright, that's probably going to do it for this battery here. Bring it over here and land it. Wow, look how fast those stop. Alright, let's feel the motor temperatures. Pretty warm, pretty hot, but I mean, I was running that pretty hard, as well as this is not tuned for these motors or props. I just adjust the filters a little bit. Take that off. So yeah, very impressed with these motors so far. Probably about the same top end as the Mad Components motors, the 4219. These are a little bit lower kV, but with these very aggressive props, it fits better. A little lower current draw on the batteries. They're pretty warm in there. Don't feel anything crazy, but definitely more low-end power and control, since much wider stator and a little lower kV with the high pitch, very torquey in the bottom end, good for turning. So yep, that's going to be the video for the iFlight XING 5215, 330 kV XClass motors. There'll be a link in the description below if you're interested, as well as my 8S XClass setup. So yep, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.